and you have to throw it away. It's no good.
That's right.
Hey Mel, why are you so into hair extensions?
Because this is my hair. If I do some weird, quirky shit, that's okay. So basically, it all started when I had all of my hair cut off and as an apprentice hairdresser, and I realized all of a sudden that I was just not myself anymore. I've tried the good, I've tried the bad, and I've tried the ugly. And now we supply hair salons as well as customers all around Australia and New Zealand, as well as educating you on how to find the perfect match and apply hair extensions in your very own business. For me, the most important thing for Baciami is that we create a community and that you're no longer alone because you've got us. When it comes to our classes, we'll often do one-on-one trainings or we'll do team trainings, and that's where a salon might contact us from anywhere around Australia or New Zealand and have a team that wants to get certified in hair extensions. We'll obviously put together a perfect training day where it includes a big kit, a live model, so that you're actually working on a physical client, which is the best way to learn about the hair, about the scalp, about the why behind things. About your consultation, about pricing, about business, and then going into how to install, how to cut, how to style, how to take the perfect photo, how to run ads, how to get the clients in the door. And we have educators all around Australia for this, because for us, we believe that small groups are far better to get the most out of the day, as well as physically learning with one of our educators that are all highly qualified hairdressers that have been in the industry well over 20 years.